Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the stream. We're gonna code today. I want Alex back on track. I want to have a little GPT wrapper and be able to use that guy again. Which means we need to touch some code. Which means we need to basically make him cloud ready, because nowadays I want to deploy everything through Kubernetes, which is absolutely nonsensical with a project like this. I still want to do it. There are a few things that we need to do in order for that to work. One thing is that we'll need to think a little bit about what we actually want to do. We'll need to think about architecture. We're gonna learn a lot about how Kubernetes handles files and how we can actually achieve what we want to do. We'll also probably upgrade our current cluster, because right now that thing is not working. And yeah. Let's just jump right into it. And start coding. Go. You know what? No. I think it's a lo-fi day. Yes, I think it's a lo-fi day. Just listen to some lo-fi. Just chill, look at some code, and then we'll build upon that. So. Yeah, nice. Cool. So, the way this was deployed was on a Raspberry Pi Zero W. It was not containerized. It was completely static in the configuration. I already went and removed the Discord token, Open API secret, and OpenAI API secret, and the admin password. So what we can do now is start replacing those things and make that actually like a good... No, it won't be good, but a better way of just handling all of it. Because in the end, I don't want to write a new Python file for every instance. I just want to write a new Ansible file for every... But yeah, I wanna make this more public. I want to make this a little bit better, in the sense that we need some way to persist some data, to yeah, just do good things. Yes. So let's start with the Docker file. I have a bot start thing. I mean, this doesn't exist anymore. Oh, that is interesting. So I did do this thing apparently, which is great, because now I need to reroll those tokens. Thank you for writing dog shit stuff. Discord for developers. Let me reroll these 2 tokens really quick. Where do I have unchanged? Save. Cool. Bot. There we go. Reset token. Yes, do it. Okay, give me a second to not show you stuff again, because I need to reset the token and actually save that. No, actually I don't need to save that token, but another one. So... sorry for that, I just did not think that I had secrets laying around there. But I found everything. It's been a while since I worked on that project, so it's a thing. It's a thing. Where's my Discord? There's my Discord, okay, so... No, we don't need to do this, but we want to do that. And we reset the token. Yes, do it. We'll copy this. Copying this over into my run configuration. I can just... okay. Okay, cool. Wonderful. Wonderful. So, we reset our tokens. I'm just gonna check through like a few more things. I mean, those are not really secrets. That's fine, I guess. Prompt should be fine. Conversation is a... yeah, that is... okay, I think we should be fine now. I looked through most things. There are a few things that they're just not really needed, but okay, should be fine. We should be okay. Oh! So let's go back. Go. Oh. A few fun things. First, we basically don't need Wolf or Alex.py. They are not needed anymore. It has bot a name. Yes, it does. Wonderful. So, and message in none. Oh, okay, okay. I know why. I know why. I probably don't have the dependencies. What? No, that's Python. Perl looks very different, but it's blessed, and only the very seasoned Perl developers will understand that fucking joke. And I only noticed that that was a thing like 2 weeks ago, so yeah. Oh. Oh no. That does not work anymore. Oh my. Oh my. This has gone way worse than I thought. Oh, I haven't used this in a while, and it'll probably break. Horrible. Okay. It's fine. So, all we need to do here, you know what? No, let's not use AI today. Let's not use AI today. I just need to get some envas, so Python enva. Where's .getEnv? And that is the squad. Okay. And what is .getEnv B again? Then return none if it doesn't exist. Ah, in bytes. Yeah, we don't need the bytes. That's fine. Cool. Or does it return the bytes? Does it use bytes? Oh yeah, it uses bytes. It gives back bytes. Okay, but no, not what we want. So, since we are putting everything in a cloud and a funny box, we want every of these items to be basically customizable through our environment variables. So what we can do here is, I think, quest.getEnv. What's this one name? If how do you do inline ifs again? Hey, blackout! Welcome in. Python. It's been a while since I coded Python. Python inline. I want to call that twice, so we'll be... I'll do this. That actually wait a second. That was exactly what I wanted. So far, we're not gonna use AI. But then we can also just write that there. That's fine. Not really happy that we like all OS getEnv twice. I would really love to like substitute this, but it's fine, I guess. Fire starts. Get in. No fucking shit, you can give this a default. Yeah, okay, cool. No need for a ternary if you just can define a default. So the channel ID is not that though. The channel ID should... Oh, fucking hell. What was the channel ID again? That's the channel ID, so we just... Get Alex. That here. Hey, Beams.
Thank you for the 13 long months of subscribing, Bims_Shush.
Bims_SH is a crouton since 13 months already.
Oh, thank you so much, Bims. Oh, love that. Thank you so much. The default channel ID. I mean, it's making it easier for me. Is it making easier for people to use this? No. They're not technically secrets, but I think I should just not default them. What are you doing? So, I am... You know Alex, right? You know Alex. And he is too old. He needs to be Dockerized, cloudified, and just made proper. That's what we're doing. Currently on the Dockerizing. Getting like all environment vars from everything. He was not running in Docker? Nope. He was running on a Raspberry Pi 0W that I had laying next to my toaster in a screen session. Mind you, he's 3 years old, 4 years old. I was shit at like building things. So yeah. That was my server, and actually it was like the most hassle-free I've ever... Yeah, it was probably the most hassle-free ever. Yes. Doing some ESP32 stuff. Now that's nice, that's nice. Can I... Wait a second, can I throw an exception here? Oh my fucking god, I can. Oh, that is amazing. Oh my god, I love that. That is really cool. Why does this... Oh, because the quotation marks. I mean, I don't... Alex is fine, I guess. Those two, however, I wanna... Just stopping the Switch stuff? Oh, you stopped. Oh, why did you stop though, huh? I need to put these into my run. Wait a second, that channel doesn't exist anymore, does it? $1.2 mil is too hard to see. Why you get this? That's why I have this. If you want me to do it, send it over. You know my address. I mean, now I'm better. No, actually that... Oh, no, that stuff actually still exists. Cool. Then an invitation to come over? I mean, you want to? I mean, you already have an invitation to come over. What are we talking about? What's this? No, not just some... Thank you, Copilot. Just some random shit. Let's see the spot in question. Search for switch OLED clock point. Ah, and you need to do a... What do you need to do? That's not it? Oh, this one. On? Gone. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's fine. I can do that. Nowadays. But with my bare eyes, yeah, I have a microscope. So I can do that. Provided. Love this. I hope that works. Wait a second. Actually, let me just test this really quick. Should throw an exception. I mean, yeah, it breaks. Not the way that I wanted. Can't do a race here, huh? Okay, so it doesn't work like that. Does this complain if it doesn't exist? Donnerlind. It's fine. It's fine. Trust me, it is okay. No, this doesn't have too many arguments. Not gonna touch this. Not gonna touch this. Okay, so this has no handling whatsoever regarding, hey, maybe this doesn't have enough. Maybe this doesn't have, okay. I understand. I mean, actually, you know what? It's like thinking, hey, if I wrap this in an area, I can check if any of those is an exception. That's shit too. You know what? The following. Make it actually a little bit more manageable. A new Python file, and that is the GPT, the bot config. Config. I mean, you don't really need an init here. You don't even need a class. Wait a second, a class is actually way too much. Oh fuck it, I'm gonna use a class. I don't wanna think about what to... Don't carry below. I don't have that bound. This. Left up. And basically this, but formatted as array, which we can do very easily. I just that once. Um. Um. Where's that? Get in. That's an interesting way to do that. Sure. Passing by, say hi. What, have a nice stream? Yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. I mean, wouldn't have done it like that, but sure. Why not? Cool. And now if any be in config dot values that doesn't make sense. How do you do any? Wait a second. Python any. Ah, okay, so any v in conf dot underscore klar. But actually, no. Wait a second. I don't want the. I don't want that. I just want to do for v in config values if. That is absolute bullshit because that's not gonna happen. If dot class is are accept. No, you can't do get. Not get. Oh, but you can do git, do dict, and interesting. But check if it is an exception. Don't need to check like message check. Is type. I check the type of a built-in type function. Oh yeah. What? Excellent. This looks a little bit better. I am sorry, why does this not work? Right. Yeah! There you go. It's not an empty exception, it is just the type exception, and yeah, that's what we check. Now that works. I was confused, maybe like if this doesn't get evaluated, that wouldn't vibe with the way I understand Python. So we're just gonna give this the hot config, which we actually don't need at this. Tell AI to write boilerplate code. That's what I asked for. Okay. That is what I hope. Well. I mean, there are so many. Oh my fucking god. Oh shit! Oh god! Yeah, we're gonna try getting rid of most of them. Rewrite it from scratch at this point. Refactor this function to reduce its cognitive complexity from 40 fucking 7 to the 15 allowed. Oh god, found 100 issues in that one fucking file. The entire codebase is a single while loop? Wish it was, it's 2. It's 2 while loops. I spawned 2 threads in this one file.
Be hydrated or I send a Hydra to your location, Jay.
Could use a Hydra though. Yeah, well, I'm gonna get something to drink. 1 sec. Thank you. Good call. DHT sensor working? What is a DHT sensor? I don't think it makes sense. Refactoring. You see that this was like one of my first Python projects? Because I still mix like camel case and stuff. Oh, robot! Actually rewrite it to be honest, but it's so much. There's so much functionality in here. Actually some pretty cool things. And sometimes you just need to to this. I mean, to be honest, okay. Nowadays, you know what I would do nowadays? Okay, you know what? Since we need to, I'm just gonna be like the new pirate software, right? Gonna do Excalidraw. I'm the new pirate software now. So, what this currently does is it's like this one huge blob. You also work at Blizzard? How'd you know? I did work in a Blizzard. Technically, it's Snowstorm. That's a different story. We use 1 or 2 instead of true or false. No, 1 or 0. Which is truthy in Game Maker. But Game Maker themselves say, hey, don't do that because we might change that in the future because it's not a good decision. So what this currently does is there's this Discord bot. And then there's the ChatGPT thing. YGPT. And then there's a queue. And the Discord bot puts stuff in the queue, and then the ChatGPT thing puts stuff there and tells the Discord bot to send new things. So this queues to completion. Actually, this is not really true. Or this direction. And there you go. You're using AI like always? I mean, this is Alex, right? This is our scam bot. What would I do today? Huh, I don't know. I'd have a Discord bot to receive. I'd have a Discord bot send. I'd have a different thing to the completion. And a Kafka. Where things just like put events. That is how I would build that today if I wanted to make that actually scalable, right? Is that a good idea? Fuck no. Fuck no. It's like really stupid. Because this would be like, this would be the architecture you'd do if you wanted like of millions. Right? You want high availability and highest level scaling, then you do this. Because you can just put more of these here, and the Kafka just gonna handle it. This is what you do when you just have that one service, one responsibility. It's not good. I think I'd do like a few things differently, but in the end, it's fine. I think today I'd be like, hey, we put like 2 queues here to like actually queue the responses. Right. So this is when you what you'd want to do if you really wanna. And this does both ways. And oh, and right. We could also like, yeah, with Kafka this would be so good. We could do so many cool things. We're not gonna deploy Kafka. Not today. What I was thinking about actually... What the fuck did I just do? Hi, go to bed now? Yeah. I'm unsure if we want to introduce a new thing, and that would be like write logs to like write... Right, because, oh, I totally forgot about that. Which is like the most annoying thing on right now, because that basically like makes Dockerizing this a little bit harder. This also writes to OS, to file system, for both logs, conversations, and images, and it retrieves them. That is the annoying part here. I don't know where this is pointing actually. Could also be here. I forgot. But that's just stupid. That's just really bad design. This is how you want to do it. This is how I did it. But hey, this is how you know that you've gotten better. Wouldn't build it the same. Really wouldn't. Also, I don't touch old projects, yeah, but I need the functionality, and that's the problem. I built like good projects. Oh, did this work? How did this work? Rewrite them in Rust to make them blazingly fast? Oh yes. Like the 5 people that use... Also, by the fucking way. Okay. How is everyone like, oh, Rust is blazingly fast, but it's still slower than Go? actually used? Oh. Right. This one actually we fixed. Because now this is just going to be the config. In a dictionary. Okay, sure. Bot underscore config. And now... How do I clone my cursor like this? Config is... Okay. Fine. First of all, back. Go here, copy this. Click down. Everything that's none. Can remove. That's none, that is fine. Here. Just one sec. Password. Okay. It's fine. So, first of all, quotate this. Then okay. The try to get from how do I say that you use this? Can I just say hey, please? Very strange, but that's fine. There we go. Now we get everything from environment variables, and if any exception is thrown, then... Nice! Okay. Oh, wait. Oh man, there is so fucking many. Oh, you don't need to do that. That's good to know. This is... What does this do? I know what it should have done, but it didn't do that. It didn't do that ever. Where did I use this? How'd that work? Actually, how did this work? I don't need to see the git blame. I coded that all myself. I know I am to blame. Well, that never worked, did it? I am so confused. I am so confused. Oh my god, Bims, you have to look at this. So, before I change something, this was the line. Tell me, what's the problem here? -1, yeah, the last one. That actually works, that's Python. That's not the bad thing. -1 is just the last thing in the array. With syntax, I actually like that though. I actually do like that. You can also do -2, then it's like the second to last. Right? That makes total sense to me. What about array last? Yeah, but that's basically the same. Anyhow, what does this do? It depends what content does. Content is a string that, like, content is, okay. Content is a string, right, okay. Wow. So, the array, the brackets with quotation mark content is a, access to a string in, like, the value of a dictionary. So, this part just gets the last conversation and gets the content. Yeah. Yeah, right, that's what should have happened. This is not an assign. This is not an assigning. This is not assigning. That doesn't do shit. It does add that, but that just throws it in the garbage because I don't know where to put that. I mean, technically, this equals plus work? No. It's addition. Yes, right. It's not an assign. It doesn't assign something. This statement seems to have no effect. Because you need to say, hey, please assign this thing to that thing. That might be a, yeah, that is a valid thing. That would be a valid thing in, like, Java. I think this is fine. But I am scared to change this because it worked. It's like, wait a second. How did it work? How did it work when this had no effect whatsoever? How did it work? Scary. I am scared. What's the issue? I'm looking at my old code that I've written like 3 years ago. That's the issue. It's so bad. Oh god. Oh, it hurts so much. Oh. Oh, we just had a statement that literally doesn't do anything, but I called it. I know that I used that function. And now I, like, made it do something, and I don't know if that was a good idea, because now... I don't know if stuff will just break. Because, hey, the function that didn't do shit before and now actually does what it should do. Oh, love it. Oh my god. It's so bad. It's so... Oh, gonna make the linter happy. Do I have Black installed? Wait a second. Oh, there's Black. Okay. Let's see what Black does. Okay, it didn't actually do that much, but it's fine. It's... I don't know. No, don't ignore errors like this. Did we change that? Oh, we didn't. Right. Right. Okay, so this now only gets a dictionary. Does that work? Ah, that obviously. I hoped, but no. Let's not mix and match. Okay. Actually, nah. Let's just do config art styles and if art styles. That's fine. Who is? Thank you. but where do I use that? Oh no. Rename this to bot config. First IoT app done. Nice. What does it do? Alright, you said it's like that DHT sensor, but I forgot what DHT sensor was. I don't know if you told me. I don't want this to be in here. In temperature? Ah, okay. This feels really stupid to define that here. But at the same time, it's like, where else? Ah, right, because of the function thingy that, like, was annoying. Yeah. What does this value type thing do again? Do I, like, try to cast that to the value type? Is that actually something I did? Because that would be kind of cool. I think I never used that. I think that was just not needed, but it's still there. Then an LED if it's too hot or too cold. Ooh. I mean... Yes, it is like not dry as fuck, but come on, like that is... I had that like in... Ooh. Wait a second. What? What does this do that this can't? Or vice versa? This just use the message to get an arc. AKA all of this fucking shit. Yeah. What is this? Why does this one not call conversation safe conversation? I'm sure. But this one should be a method. Called delete conversation. Both these are not needed. Author is what we need. Author.name actually. Delete conversation. We'll then do the name. And we'll have a requester. Will in this case also be the author dot name. This what we want is message log for name by requester name. Converse to my mom. Nice, what she says. What did she say? Proud of you. Oh, it's self dot. I'm stupid. With the name and the author. Look at that. That did make so much more sense. He knows what IP addresses are. I was surprised. Nice. Oh god. Donalint, my biggest fear. Actually goated right now because it shows me so much stupid shit. I disabled all linters? Why? At least, like, have them for yourself. Hi, Hector. Like 400 linter things in one file. Yeah. Just let the linter do its thing then. How are you doing? I don't know at this point. I don't know. Because, I'll be honest, I don't like my code. I don't like my code. But that's like, it's more than pirate software could ever say. Oh, nothing is so much fun than shitting on someone who doesn't know how to take some peek. I mean, okay. We use the author though. And you good? Nice, nice, nice. So, I'm thinking we could obviously, like, package this thing into a function that we call, like, I don't know. Get first part or something with a separator, but at the same time, like, yes, I use that like a lot. Here, here, and here. But it's, I don't know, it doesn't feel too bad. It doesn't feel too bad. Okay, now it feels bad. Need to go? Yes, you. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. Why? So there's zero reason behind that. Oh, I know it. Nah, there's a little bit of reason, because if you don't want it to react to commands at all, you obviously also can't have it react to the disable comments command. So, there's a little bit of truth here, but I don't know. This might be... Okay, yeah, sure, that's true. We are getting somewhere. Cognitive complexity we're not gonna touch, because that would actually mean we need to touch the files. Like the... Let's just disable this rule for now. This is not an F string, that's true. Daisy chain my outlet? Do it. Do that all the time. Bims, can you tell me what the fuck I meant with this? What does this mean? What does it mean? I don't get it. Why? What fucking edge case did I want to try to handle there? Oh yeah, if the length is negative, then that shouldn't work. If the length is negative, what the fuck did you put in the first place? There's no negative length. Bro, I'm crying. I'm literally crying. This is so stupid. Oh god. What did I write here? These are all static. Welcome back. Wait, what? Oh, right, because they are... That is the problem. Yeah. I don't know when that happened, but I... Oh, boy. Fuck that. Oh, okay, I don't know where we use load conv. Okay, yeah. Yeah, we kind of use that a lot. Oh no, don't control shift F, only control. I mean, basically just do this and replace that with... Where do I have that? I changed that somewhere. Conversations? Just conversation. Oh no, load conversation. Okay, well. Load underscore. Okay, back to that issue. I don't know what I did here. I don't know. Fuck this. I do think I actually just thought of an edge case that would like literally never happen. Or I was like, oh yeah, I need to check if it's like greater than 0, and then I was like, oh wait a second, no, 0 is also fine, and then I just didn't realize that it makes jack shit. But you didn't rename that one, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, no. How's it going? Wait a second. Yeah, let me check if this array length is greater equal than 0. Let me check if this array length is positive. Or 0. Yeah, it is. Definition. I don't know, man. I don't know. Hurts. Eyes up. Itchy. Yes, I need to wash my eyes really quick because they're really, really itchy. Eyes -1? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Huh? Huh? I load a conversation, then I create a new conversation with the loaded conversation, append the new conversation to the conversations, then I overwrite the loaded conversation with a new conversation handler with the loaded conversation, and then I append the loaded conversation. What does this do? Wait, what did just happen? Is it me or is your entire code base unreadable? Bro, I have no fucking clue what this does. Explain this. An error occurred. Yeah. So bad. Why did I write? Hang on. Why am I not allowed to use Copilot anymore? Oh, I think it's broken. Right, wait a second. There was an update, I think. Yeah, okay. No, I'll just update all. Also... Right. I mean, I did write that like when it was mostly like 3 a.m. I just wanted to get it to work. And then I added on more features and added on more features. So yeah, that is how you get code that is this fucking shit. Oh. It's a shit show? It's a total shit show. But it's still better than Heartbound. Why not rewrite it? Yeah. Has more lore. Ah! Definitely has more gameplay. Okay. Now, GitHub. Monsieur Copilot, explain this. Station is safe from... Okay, wait a second. Does that actually make sense? This is already there. Okay, yeah, that makes sense, right? This part is like, yeah, okay. And then reload it into first part iterates. Load from disk. If I don't use the conversation data. Okay, right. It loads the conversation. Number. Does it work? And on. Okay, okay, the linter was just too fast. Okay, that's fine. Just rewrite in another lang, trust. I don't want to write that in Go. Right, that doesn't fall through. Those are not phone temperature sensors are accurate within point. Look at this. The linter is like getting happy. What's after L? Ah! Returns German. I mean, yeah. That's so fucking stupid. That is so fucking stupid. Oh. Think that should work? My watch streak somehow broke? Oh. Yeah. Probably because of Monday. I started the stream like 5 times before it actually worked. Yeah, I'm sorry. Into underscore ID? Oh, okay. Installed Arch. Don't worry, I will get back. Nice. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna delete this. It shouldn't have any effect. Yeah. Is this like the same? No, they're just named the same. Okay, that's fine. That is not. Look at that. Like, it actually is, the amount we needed. Hi, Logs! Long time no see. Okay. Definitely not top. It's... Up. Let's see. We didn't have a requirements.txt. By the way, had a bad day, so I came here. Aww, guy, what happened? Why do you have a bad day? I'm just gonna delete all of these. Oh no, wait a second. Oh shit. I just realized something. That is just the threads. Where are the conversations that Alex had? Are there Alex conversations? There we go. Okay, so this is stuff we actually just want to place somewhere else. Wait a second. Let me just open this in an Explorer. That's basically all these things, including that. New folder. On boat brig, we were far from shore. Oh my god! I'm glad you made it home safe, though. Oh, tell me more. How did it actually go down? Like, yeah. How? Did you have to paddle? Or did someone rescue you? There you go. That looks way nicer already. That looks way nicer already. The dependency? Are you shitting me? Instead of using just the requirements.txt, I used this? Gotta push it back? Oh my god. Oh. Oh, that is... That is a lot. Well, hey, I'm happy that you made it home and that you know. And I mean, I can just ask him, I guess. Alright. I'm tired for the week. Yeah, I bet. Is there anything that I need to do? It's all just in this one bot file, right? Okay. I'm tired for the week. I mean, I bet you are, but also happy that you made it home. Happy that you're now here. Gonna fall asleep to that call music? Hey, there's no shame in that. This is a chill stream. Except for the few moments where I look at my own code and like burst out either laughing or crying. Because this is old code and I'm really not happy in the way how I wrote that, but that's different. Actually, you know what? Actually, let's just create a few files and stuff. Didn't I? Let's try coding. I burned out. Yeah. Yeah. It can be very stressful and very exhausting, so you do need to just be careful, I guess. But it's also really rewarding if you do it the right way. I'm just gonna pull this apart now and actually make it like a little bit more manageable. Yeah, this one class is just 1000 lines long. Definitely not a problem. Oh, wait a second. Okay, yeah, wait. Nope. We can delete this already. Delete. We're gonna have some exams after 9th class. I mean, you mean like grade or like the 9th grade? Or do you mean the what is it called? There you go, this is already way nicer. You mean the grade, right? 9th grade, like where you like elementary school, 1st grade. 9th year of education is good, yeah, so 9th grade. Yeah, we do. So we used to have 3 different type of schools, which was like the called Hauptschule, Realschule und Gymnasium. Hauptschule doesn't exist anymore, so it's just like a little bit blast from the past, I guess. So Hauptschule was like basically ended after 9th grade. Yeah, it doesn't really, because there's now the Gesamtschule, which combines all 3, but whatever. So then you like on Realschule you have like you go to 10th grade and you do still have exams there, and in Gymnasium you do your Abitur, which is 11th and 12th grade. I don't know if they have a 13th again because they removed it for a while, and I don't know if they reinstated it. I have no fucking clue. But yeah, there are exams in all of like 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. And there are special exams at the end of 12th or 13th if it still exists. I don't know. Anyhow, this is already way nicer. And yeah, maybe I want to like have a start. You know what? Yeah, let's just paste that into bot start. Now in the Docker file we do bot start by by the way, this is Python 13. Okay, and now we should see that this is not working. Because of a lot of things, actually. So alert.mp3 doesn't actually exist. Right, copy the bot script. So basically, copy the needed files. Yeah, I mean, that is fair. That is fair. That is fair. Just copy everything, I guess. But then we can also just do that there. We have 9 grade necessary and 10 to 11 if you want. Yeah, so we have one more. Basically. And I mean, because we have like this elitist thinking, it's not only if you want, if you can. Because if you're not good enough in school, then you won't be allowed to go to 11th and 12th. Yeah. I think everyone should be allowed to have a shot on that. But that's the rules. Was good enough but wanted money. You're aware of my like what I make, right? You wanted money, you should have gone there. University is the way. But did Fachabi? Okay, well then good. Fun. Time for university after your thing then. By the way, let's just write this here. Set. I'm gonna work for some time to not be broke. The problem is, okay, so here's a very real story. I've heard that a lot. None of those people have then started university because you will get used to the amount of money you have, and going to university will inevitably cut that down substantially. You won't go to a university. If you don't do it before working, you won't do it. So, so should I do Python 12? Okay, let me just set some more environment variables without leaking my my secrets. And then oh, what else? Hire me? Myself a card and I can pay without cash? Nice! That's nice. I mean, I would. If I could. You also know that, like, my company literally, like, we would hire you. Password is done. Guild. Anything else that we need to... I think that's all. Just the streamer name was missed. Am I gonna be forced to write bash all day? Nah, we rarely write bash. But it is like something we do from time to time if we like need to check stuff from like the old times, and then it can be very handy because obviously you will not find like a new Python interpreter on a machine with like a MySQL 5.6, right? You're not gonna find that. So it's really helpful to just be able to okay, let's see if this actually runs. Illegal name of environment variable. Quotation marks. What the fuck? I'm going to sleep. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, my guy. Sleep well. And get some rest. Get some rest. You really deserve it. Okay, wait a second. I need to check. What the fuck? Illegal name of environment variable and then just empty string. An empty environment variable. Oh, there are spaces. So was a space in one. Okay, sure. Yeah, that was the problem. One of the end files had to space. Let me just let this run. Like, see if it's leaking my stuff. No module named PIL. That's true. Okay, so I'm not allowed to click on dashboard. Good to know. I don't think it logs anything. Build log. Yeah, seems fine. Seems fine. Okay. I'm just not allowed to click on dashboard. I hope I remember that. Okay, so log is fine. Known module name PIL. That means we just need to add below to no admin password. Right? I'm very sure that I did provide an admin password. Okay, let's check that really quick. Oh, password versus password. Yeah, sure. But see, that's a good thing. Crashes gracefully, tells us, hey, we don't have an admin password. Okay. Yep. Mission denied. That makes sense. But we need to... As you do, ja. Well, I should go to sleep. Shown. Yeah. Oh. Just this? Yeah, but I do think I need to do the indent, yeah. Use test prompt doesn't exist. That is probably something that I just missed in my thing. Next thing. Oh wait, no, that's just not called duration, it's just called time on duration. Good night. Unlock blacklist. Okay. Did receive something. I should set debug mode to true. Oh wait, no, that just restarts the content. We don't want. Stop. I mean, couldn't load blacklist. That is fine. We need a blacklist. Okay. Build again. What? Here. And back to Alex. Let's do this key value in config.items. If v is an exception, raise v. If EW in E but lower or password. No, wait, token or key, right? Password in lower or token in lower. Oh, we don't override that. Or yeah, key in lower. Continue. Print F. Right, initializing config. Just not like that, but like. But it's not an F string, sorry. Yeah. Just if any of these redacted strings. W password or token in lower, continue, because then we don't want to just don't want to print that out. Let me test that really quick if that actually does work. Right. First of all, obviously, if it's yep, it does skip them. Very cool. Very cool, very cool, very cool. So now... Here. And... Again. Oh my god. Okay, cool. There you go. Config, bot name Alex. Nice. Good. Now. Why do you not work? Okay. Ooh. Okay. We can now debug. So. Let's see. Definitely. Let's do this. Wo ist mein Message Händler? That's true. That is true. also means that this should go to utils. Oh, right. That was the problem. Oh, I remember. That weird bot thingy with... Okay. Why did you answer? That might actually just work. Let's have to talk. Gonna go through all these things. Make stuff nicer. I mean, oh, that is nice. Bro, you can really see how I like coded this while being extremely tired. Oh. I mean, where is this actually? But is it correct to change that? Yes. But the 3 points. Add one line and not remove a single. Oh no. Reg. I add. So wait a second, let's see. He tried to answer, but apparently it didn't. Here. Oh no, this doesn't feel right. Was your bot in Python? Goofy. What do you mean? What do you mean why it's in Python? Like, that is like the least concerning thing about this. It's like literally the least concerning thing. What's the root issue? The root issue is that I built this before I converted to being a Docker fanboy. So this is not made for Dockerization. And it's 3-year-old code. And we have in lines that don't do anything. The code is dog shit. We write it in C. Yeah. But I do still have to write a bachelor's, and I do need to. No. God, you can't debug them. Right, you can't debug them because this thing for some reason doesn't allow you to attach. Okay. You did write that. What am I? Doesn't send. Okay, GPT sending is probably the problem, right? Probably. Seconds. Patient. Cut messages if they are too long. Is it waiting? Generate a response, which it did. Oh, in debug mode. It doesn't send shit. That's what debug does. I think that should be right. They fuck up. Test mode. Yeah, nice. That should be it. With the configuration. Test mode is true. Nice. Okay. He does not write into the thread though. Why? Oh, okay. Send reply. Okay, wait a second. Let's go back through this. Check the message. Could be that it has a problem with the threads existing. Configuration again. Reply. And now let's question. Oh, but oh, it might be because he knows that he have a conversation. Yep. Oh, wait a second. I do wait. Hmm. All right. Self.logger .error and contract. Then turn anything. But right, we didn't even get to here, I guess. It's probably just turned out to die here. Maybe the channel ID is wrong and it makes sense to why it didn't work. Channel ID. Let me just do that really quick. It. Oh. Server ID wrong? Adding Alex to that thing. That's see. Yep. Is it? That is very weird. Anyway, what to do? Channels. Good enough. Okay. I'm gonna go sleep. So, good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye bye.